Well, no one investigates like News 4. Two roadway hazards in Lancaster are about to get some much-needed repairs.
News 4 has been following this story since complaints began rolling into us back in 2007. Investigative reporter Luke Moretti brings us this update tonight.
Demolition work is about to get underway in Lancaster on two Cemetery Road bridges maintained by Erie County. This one, the bigger bridge that crosses railroad tracks and Erie Street, has been the subject of several News 4 stories because of its deteriorating condition.
The existing bridge, as you know, was pretty old and has gone through some extensive maintenance just to keep it in structural condition so that we could continue to use it.
There's already been advanced work done on the roadway. For example, the old highway barn has been removed and utility poles are being moved back. But now the bridges will be replaced, and that means traffic detours as the work swings into high gear.
The posted detour will be Cemetery to Nictor to pavement. Because if you think about it, the Cemetery Road bridge is here and the pavement road bridge is here. So Nictor will be like the key path.
Two Erie County maintained bridges on Pavement Road in Lancaster, also the subject of News 4 stories, are now getting attention. The one bridge crossing existing railroad tracks will be replaced. The other bridge will be eliminated. Instead of a bridge, crews will use fill to bring it up to the road level. Construction costs will be paid with federal, state, and local money. The federal government will pick up the lion's share.
This is certainly good news to get these two bridges replaced, which you've done a lot of stories on, to be able to get a brand new structure in there, and you won't be doing another story for 50 years, hopefully.
The projects, both on Pavement Road and here along Cemetery Road, are estimated to be finished in November of 2012. In the town of Lancaster, Luke Moretti, News 4.